Looking for the best carbon steel woks? In this video we look at some of the top 3 carbon steel woks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Joyce Chen Classic Series Carbon Steel Wok Set. Pros: a complete set so you'll be ready to cook the moment you unbox it. Comes with a dome lid, a spatula, and a recipe book. Made of gauge carbon steel for fast and even heating. It's designed with a main handle and a helper handle. The handles are made of birchwood whips to avoid heating or burning while in use. Great for use on either gas or electric cooktops. Made in Taiwan. Cons: must be seasoned before use. Hand wash only. Bottom line: a versatile set with essential accessories included. At number 2, HITECLIFE Wok and Stir Fry Pan. Pros: an affordable option offered in 2 sizes and with option to include a matching lid. It's processed with double oxidizing and nitriding treatment to ensure great durability, and it's free of chemicals. Spatulas and cleaning tools won't scratch it. Designed for fast and even heating. Manufactured with amazing workmanship. Oven safe, and the wooden handles are made with solid wood in anti-scalding finish. Cons: not dishwasher safe. Bottom line: great for beginners and home cooks. At number 1, Craft Wok Traditional Hand-Hammered Power Wok. Pros: comes with the instructions needed for easy seasoning. Traditional materials and design, and it's hand-hammered by Chinese professionals in Guangzhou. Quality fit for professional Chinese chefs. The wooden handle has a special hygroscopic surface to stop it from slipping during use, and it's designed to never burn. The construction is heavy and sturdy for durability. Cons: not suitable for flat electric or induction stoves. Must be seasoned before use. Bottom line: durable and traditional style and quality. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.